Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson, Flipping 50 TV host and host of the Flipping 50 podcast. And let's talk about all those delicious fruits. So I just showed you some of what's on my counter. There's some missing, and I'll tell you which ones. But during summer, when the fruits look so yummy, and there's papaya and mango, and there's pineapple, and then there's berries, and the farmer's market is full of them, and the local grocery store is featuring local made farmers, and you want to take advantage of all of them. Let's talk about where that should go in your smoothie. So you want to remember that even though it's nature's sugar, it's still sugar. So it's wise to choose your fruits and the timing of those fruits and the quantity of them wisely. And here's why. If weight loss resistance is something that's nagging you and you're flipping 50, then you want to really pull back. So I'm not saying fruits are evil, so don't take that too far, but you want to choose wisely. Berries and citrus fruits have the highest amount of nutrient density and the lowest amount of sugar, because in part you get a lot of fiber from them. So it's really about the sugar impact. It's not the glycemic index, it's the glycemic load that's important. And you can help yourself. So you want to choose your protein. I also add fiber with a little fiber boost, but whether you're choosing a plant-based protein, you're choosing a beef-based, meaning a paleo-inspired protein, or you can tolerate dairy and do whey protein, the protein will also slow down the impact of sugar. So what I would suggest not to do, not even for your children or grandchildren, is feed them just a fruit smoothie alone. Now, is it better than, say, a popsicle? Yeah, sure it is. But if you can put something else in there to slow it down, so throw in an avocado or some hemp hearts. So we've got a little fat in there to slow down the absorption of the sugar. That will also help. And put it all in there. That's even better. But also don't forget your greens. So you want to make sure you've got some of those. You've got some yummy avocados. I've never met an avocado I didn't like. It doesn't even have to be guacamole. And here's the deal with the fiber. So yep, berries, citrus fruit, they're gonna give you a little bit of natural fiber, but not a ton. The avocado will give you a little bit more, so if you like that, you really won't taste it, but what it will do is make it rich and creamy. So it's super yummy if you like smooth, thick, malted kind of desserts. It'll make your smoothie taste just like that. But I like a little extra fiber, and I like that my fiber boost for Flipping 50 helps keep us all regular, which we all need when we're traveling a little bit more, whether on vacation or business or both during the summer. But it also comes from 5 different sources. Just like if you were sitting down to a plate of food, you're going to get a little from the grains, or a little from the quinoa, and a little from the beans, and a little from this and that. And that's really how you want to take your fiber in. So some of the problem with over-the-counter support or laxatives, if you will, they come from one source, and that can be pretty harsh, and your body kind of doesn't react really well to that because it's used to eating a plate full of food from a variety of sources. So the fiber boost is an amazing extra. But wherever you get it from, maybe you choose some chia seeds, some flax seeds, plus the berries, plus the avocado. Now you've got a great mix of not only healthy fats, but healthy fiber as well. All of that will help. So if you do love mango or pineapple, those things that are a little higher in sugar, now you've offset that little higher sugar. So think about having those more for treat, like smoothies, and stick to the berries and the citrus fruits for the norm, your everyday breakfast, and you'll be in great shape and kind of eliminate that weight loss resistance that can come from too high a sugar intake. So I will see you later. I'm about to make a smoothie. See you on the flip side.